Bonjour or bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So, today we are going to learn a very important part of the language, that is preposition. I do not find it very necessary to tell you the importance of it, because see, without preposition you cannot imagine a sentence. I hope that you know the preposition, what it's the prepositions. See how I define this preposition. Preposition is a kind of word which comes, before the noun to tell its position is called preposition. Okay, so what is it? Like, we are going to study the kind of words which will come before the noun to tell its position actually. So we are going to study the preposition, and here we have the prepositions in French. So in French, well, that's I would say it's going to be one of the easiest one, because here already you already know the use of prepositions in English, right? And you use it, you are finding yourself comfortable to make the sentence and put the preposition before the noun, and there I believe you're not finding any problem to use. And there are a lot of prepositions, out of which we are going to take very usual one. Have a look over the screen, and there you're going to find the list of prepositions which we are going to study today. Here we go. First is sur. Second is, what's the second one? Su. Su. There's a difference. Don't get confused. First one is sur. Second one is su. What's the difference? Sur is on. When something is on, for example, this cover, I have this cover in my hand and it's on my hand. So it's on. And how we call this in French? Sur. How? Try it. Repeat it après moi. Repeat it after me. Sur. 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 Okay? And now tell me the position of this noun. Where we use preposition? To tell the position of noun. So tell me the position of this noun. Where is this noun is? It's under, right? Su. Sur. Su. Got it? Bravo. And now, what is the next word? À côté de. À côté de. À côté de is next to. Like, where is this cover? This cover is next to me. So, this cover is next to me. There's something is next to me. So, à côté de. How you would sound? How would you pronounce it? À côté de. Right? À côté de. Good. That is next to. Done? Good. What is the next one? Dans. Dans is in. Well, where am I? Now I am in the room. I am in the room. How we call that room in French? La chambre. So, dans la chambre. Dans la chambre is in the room. Okay? Dans, like in. Now this is in my pocket. Right? So, dans is in. So let's have a short revision. So let's have a short revision. How many prepositions have we learned? The first one is sur, sur. Second one is su. Third one is à côté de. Fourth one is dans. Now, have a look over the next one. It is davant. Davant. The phone. Okay. Well, what is the position of this object? I mean this noun. The phone in front of. What is the next one? Derrière. What is there? I mean, what is behind me? Behind me there is a wall. So derrière is behind. Derrière is behind. So here we have learned these preposition, very important preposition. Repeat it once more or practice with it. So here we go. The first one is, second, third, fourth one, good, fifth one, and the last sixth one. Bravo. So repeat it after me. Repeat it after me. Here we go. So the first one is Tir. Two. À côté de. Dans. Devant. Derrière. Derrière. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to put the preposition on the screen and you have to judge or you have to think the meaning of that preposition. Here we go. Devant. Okay, in front of. Good. Sous. Under. Good. Dans. In. I'm in the room. Derrière. Behind. Okay, so that's very good. Well done. Bravo. You did fantastic job. Well, I'm going to have some examples. Le chien. Chien is dog. The dog, le chien. So now I'm going to ask, where is the dog? Where is the dog? Okay, so where is the dog? Où est le chien? Où est le chien? Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Où est le chien? This is the dog. C'est le chien. And this is what? This is a table. Consider it as a table. This is the table. Okay? So, where is the dog? Où est le chien? Le chien est sur la table. The dog is on the table, right? Where is the dog? Où est le chien? Where is the dog? Now the dog is under the table. How will you say? The dog is le chien et the dog is under the table. Sous la table. Sous la table. Okay? Good. Now, where is the dog? Où est le chien? Where is the dog? Où est le chien? Le chien est devant la table. Devant la table. The dog is in front of the table. Okay? Où est le chien? Where is the dog? Derrière. Behind. So, the dog is behind the table. How you say in French? Le chien est derrière la table. Good. Now, where is the table? Où est la table? Did you remember I told you the word for room? La chambre. Okay? So, where is the table? Où est la table? Où est la table? Where is the table? The table is in the room. La table est dans la chambre. La table est dans la chambre. So, I hope that you liked this session. Well, some important examples were there and I would suggest you to go through those examples to make it perfect. Okay, and some good sentences were there. Catch that. Okay, so wish you all the best. Keep learning, keep doing it, and remember, preposition lesson was very important. So you have to watch this video at least twice or thrice and pay more and more attention over the examples mentioned or given in this lesson, in this video. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Over.